everybody, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm gonna be very honest with you. जब ये lockdown start हुआ था, I thought that I will fully transform myself into a better human being, and हुआ fully opposite. I have turned myself into a completely unlikable trash can, like the crustiest, stinking trash can you will ever find in your life. So today I will be transforming myself into a recycling trash can. I guess. I don't even know. First of all, I don't even know why I'm shooting this video. You know, sometimes I come across this sudden wave of anxiety and sadness where I just want to cry and I don't want to talk to anyone. I just hate myself. And then I look at myself in the mirror and be like, you look like the most unapproachable person in the entire universe. So please go get ready, click some good photos and upload it on social media. And I guess today is the day. And you know what? Mano ya na mano, we all need some kind of validation at some point of our lives. And I need that every day. So let's get started. Please don't think it's some kind of a tutorial that I'm going to give you right now. To be honest, I'll technically be the last person जिसकी lifestyle या फिर जिसका कोई routine आप follow करना चाहो. Okay? मैं पहले वार्निंग दे रही हूँ, डोंट इवन ट्राई टू फॉलो माई रूटीन. एंड मेरे में कोई माता नहीं चढ़ी कि मैं आपको ट्यूटोरियल दूंगी. प्लीज, देयर आर मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस ऑफ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट इन दिस वर्ल्ड you would actually want to follow. Right now, I am not wearing anything on my face. I'm going to start with applying a moisturizer on my face because I am the most dehydrated person. You can see this. This video is not sponsored by anyone, but just in case Ponds wants to sponsor me, they can. You know what? If you actually want to follow my skincare routine, like if you really want to know what I do for my skin, cry twice a day and see the glow up. Oh, I can hear my pores screaming with joy. I am not even lying. I hardly apply anything on my face. Now I'm going to paint my skin with a foundation and a BB cream because I don't have an even skin tone, nor do I have a matching foundation. So I have to mix two colors together. You know, just like mixing my two personalities is just an everyday thing, you know. Here it is. I'm going to put it on my face. And I will be using a sponge blender that I haven't washed since 7 months. This is not a full coverage foundation, but I can see my sadness going away. Now I'm going to dive into my contour, which I still don't know how to blend. Contouring is like fooling the science itself to make your face look even thinner. I don't know how it works, but it works. Here you can see I'm creating my invisible non-existent jawline. Now I'm going to contour my nose and we're gonna blend. दुनिया की सारी ताकत इसमें जाएगी. I mean, we have to look approachable at the end of the day now. I am fooling the light itself now. My face actually looks better. I'm on my way to look approachable, baby. I'm thirsty. I need water. Oh, by the way, I have a BTS bottle. And if you don't know what BTS means, it means Bulletproof Boys. So ultimately, I'm drinking from the Bulletproof bottle. I'm making myself bulletproof. Now we're going to step ahead on my favorite part of this video, where I'm very bad. And that is eyeshadow. I don't know jack shit, but we're gonna try. This is what the palette looks like. It's very beautiful with amazing and bright colors, which I possibly don't know how to use any of them. But we'll try, okay? We'll try. We have to look approachable to go nowhere. My blender looks like as if someone sat on it. And now I'm going to present to you my favorite brushes. I have seen big makeup artists using it, and I haven't used any one of them. They're still, you can see they're still packed, just like me on the inside. Let's get started. So the palette I'm using is Revolution 2020 XOXO eyeshadow Petra palette. And just in case if the look turns out to be good and you want to recreate it, feel free to recreate it. I'm gonna take a brush, and I don't even know if this is an eyeshadow brush. For a base color, I'm gonna go all neutral, and I'm gonna use color called Selfie Queen. As you can see, I have extremely small eyes, extremely microscopic eyes. That's literally the color of my eyes. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna use it. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna have some black on the outer side of my microscopic small eyes. Looks good. I'm gonna use this beautiful purple color called 3 words 8 letters. 3 words 8 letters. Anyone wanna say 3 words 8 letters to me? Just feel free to say that. Oh my god. Every day I see these beautiful Indian girls doing makeup on Instagram, and it kind of motivates me to do it like them. And then I go forward to check their Instagram profile, and I'm looking at their beautiful photos, and then I come across their reels with their boyfriends, and then I get sad. I mean, I don't even have people liking me in general. How do you even have friends? How do you have people around you liking you in general? To be very honest, I actually stalk girls more than I stalk boys on Instagram. How you so beautiful? Please drop your skincare routine, queen, please. Now I'm gonna apply some kajal, and the kajal that I'm using is L18 Iconic Kajal, just like me. Thanks to kajal, it actually makes me look much better. Otherwise, I would have ended up looking like Dobby from Harry Potter. I'm done with the eyeliner. It's not equal, but I still look good. Now I'm gonna go towards my eyebrows, my non-existent, very uneven eyebrows. Now we're gonna head towards the blush, because I wanna look like as if मुझे 24 घंटे शर्म आती रहती है. So I don't even have a blush. I'm gonna use my palette again, and using color Clickbait for my blush. Now I'm going to highlight my shit. Take a highlighter. This is a stick highlighter. It doesn't normally work for me, but we'll see. This is so blinding. Makeup is actually defeating optic science. I'm not even lying. Okay, now I'm going to shape my eyebrows. They ultimately don't even have a shape, and they deserve rights. Oh my god, this is looking brighter than my future. I'm not even kidding. I want to calculate the refractive index of my body. Oh, it's so funny how I don't own fake eyelashes, and I don't even have real eyelashes, so I have to use 10 layers of mascara for things to work properly. I'm using Maybelline's Colossal Mascara, which is waterproof. It is not sponsored, but Maybelline, darling, you have to sponsor me. I accidentally dropped some flakes of mascara under my eyes, and now I'm looking like a panda. Actually, I was looking like a panda, but it shows that I have not slept for around 3 weeks. Now we are going to jump to the lips. These two colors. Okay, this lipstick is like around maybe 5 years old. This shows how much of a jugadu I am. Oh, because of the contour, I guess my side profile looks good. I always hated my side profile. Whenever I meet people, I usually try to maintain eye contact with them and not show them my side profile because I hate it. But somehow today is looking good. I guess it's done, and I should change my clothes. I'll be right back. Yo. How do I look? Do I look approachable? Let me know in the comments down below. I don't look stinky. I didn't really do anything about my hair because I don't have hair anymore. You can see my receding hairline. I can guarantee you I will be bald by 30. I look cute. I look a cute recycling trash can. That's the power of makeup. And I cannot wait to go to the washroom and click amazing photos of myself. That's the amount of narcissism I could get into this video. The earth is getting hotter than me and it's not okay. But anyways, if you really think I look cute, please make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to share this with your friends because I need views. And I'll see you next one. Bye bye bye.